Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Aurora and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's lecture as circulatory system. The circulatory system is one of the most important systems in the human body, responsible for the transportation of oxygen, nutrients and hormones to various parts of the body. Without a functioning circulatory system, our organs and tissues would not receive the vital nutrients and oxygen they need to survive. In this lecture, we will explore the anatomy and physiology of the circulatory system, including the heart, blood vessels, and blood. We will also discuss the various functions of the circulatory system, such as transporting oxygen and nutrients, removing waste products, and regulating the body temperature. Additionally, we will delve into some common disorders of the circulatory system, such as hypertension, heart disease, and stroke, and discuss strategies for maintaining a healthy circulatory system. So, whether you are a student of an anatomy and physiology, a healthcare professional, or simply interested in learning more about the fascinating world of human biology, this lecture is sure to be informative and engaging journey into the circulatory system. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it and also hit the bell icon for more updates. Let's get started. Circulatory system. All organisms must exchange materials with their environment and distribute materials within their bodies. Most animals have a system of internal transport, a circulatory system, that transports oxygen and carbon dioxide, distributes nutrients to the body cells, and conveys the waste products of metabolism to a specific site for disposal. Following are the requirements of circulatory system. Pumping organ is required to keep the blood in flow, that is heart or any modified organ. Must require circulatory fluid, that is blood or hemolymph. Channels to transport the blood, that is arteries, veins and capillaries. Valves to prevent the backward flow of the blood. Now we will discuss types of circulatory system. There are two types of circulatory system. The one is for open type circulatory system and the other is closed type circulatory system. Open type circulatory system. An open type circulatory system is a type of circulatory system found in some invertebrates such as mollusks, arthropods. In this system, blood or hemolymph is pumped by the heart into a cavity called hemocoel, which is not enclosed by vessels. The hemolymph then flows through this cavity, bathing the organs and tissues directly before being collected by the openings called ostia and returned to the heart. Because the hemolymph is not enclosed in vessels, it can flow freely throughout the body, allowing for exchange of nutrients, gases, and waste between the blood and surrounding tissues. This system is less efficient at transporting oxygen than a closed circulatory system, but it is simpler and requires less energy. For example, it is found in insects, crustaceans, and some mollusks such as snails and clams. Closed circulatory system. Closed circulatory system is a type of circulatory system found in many animals, including vertebrates such as humans and some invertebrates. In a closed circulatory system, the blood circulates through a closed network of vessels which are connected to the heart. There are two types of closed circulatory system: the single circuit plan and the double circuit plan. Single circuit plan. In single circulation system, the blood passes through the heart only once during each complete circuit of the body. This means that the blood flows through the heart and then goes directly to the gills or lungs to be oxygenated and then is delivered directly to the body tissues. This type of circulation is found in fish and is also present in some amphibians and reptiles. In single circuit plan, the heart is two-chambered, one atria and one ventricle. Blood enters atrium and then flows into the ventricle, which pumps the blood to the gills or lungs for oxygenation. From there, the oxygenated blood is distributed to body tissues. Because the blood passes through the heart only once, The pressure and velocity of the blood are lower than in animals with double circuit plan. Double circuit plan. In double circuit plan, the blood flows twice in each cycle. It may be complete or incomplete double circulation. Further elaborated. Incomplete double circulation. In incomplete double circulation, the heart is tri-chambered, two atria and one ventricle. A tri-chambered heart is a type of heart found in some animals such as amphibians and reptiles that has three chambers, two atria and one ventricle. The tri-chambered heart works by receiving blood from the body and pumping it through the lungs for oxygenation. The circulated oxygenated blood back to the body. In a tri-chambered heart, the two atria receive blood from different parts of the body. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body, while the left atrium receives oxygenated blood from lungs. The atria contract simultaneously, pushing the blood into the ventricle. The single ventricle then pumps the mixed blood to both the lungs and the body. As the ventricle contracts, a muscular ridge called a spiral valve directs the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood towards their respective destination. The oxygenated blood is directed towards the body while the deoxygenated blood is directed towards the lungs. The blood circulation in a tri-chambered heart is less efficient than a four-chambered heart found in mammals and birds, as the mixed blood that is pumped to the body can contain some deoxygenated blood. However, tri-chambered hearts are still capable of meeting the metabolic demands of these animals and allowing them to survive in their environments. Complete double circulation. In complete double circulation, the heart is four-chambered. The four-chambered heart is a type of heart found in mammals and birds. It consists of two atria and two ventricles. Blood circulation in the four-chambered heart is a complex process that involves the pumping of oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood to and from different parts of the body. The process of blood circulation in the four-chambered heart is a continuous process, with the heart contracting and relaxing to pump blood throughout the body. This process is essential for the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to different parts of the body and removal of waste products. The process of circulation of blood in four-chambered heart will be elaborated in the next lecture.